Hello everyone, thank you Dr. Kirti. Uh, Such a nice associate, and obviously with my team this conference won't be possible, and Dr. Kriti has done a lot of hard work to success this conference. And we do have another associate. Unfortunately she is not present today, Dr. Pragati Daga, and she is also the organizing secretary for this conference. And first of all, I would like to welcome from my side all the delegates and our distinguished speakers who has chosen to be the part of this conference, of this historic conference. And it is my privilege to be associate with Nirvan University, and I really give my sincere thanks from a core of my heart to Dr. S.L. Sihag, Chairman Nirvan University, Dr. Ashok Kumar, President Nirvan University, and Dr. Aditya Nag, Advisor to Nirvan University. Without their support, this wonderful event won't be possible. Well, I was deeply, hurted with the incident happened some years back with our beloved physiotherapy intern. So I thought, let's celebrate this International Day of Happiness. And because some last year the culprits of that Nirbhaya case got hanged till death, and so this way we got a justice to our beloved daughter, women. So I thought, why not we should celebrate this day, and also in a memory of we will remember the our beloved Miss Jyoti Singh and through this conference, and I give my homage to her, and I believe she is resting in peace. So even I am also working on so many so many aspects of women's health. So I thought, let's do this historic conference and combine the psychological and the physical health of women. So in this way I came up with this idea, and fortunately I had a very good team where they have supported me a lot, and the speakers, they chosen to be the part of this conference. So basically you will learn this conference in this conference the new dimensions of women's health, and believe me, this is going to be a education too much educational thing rather than the conference. So let me give you some insight about Abhyas first. So Abhyas is the only institute in India which is approved by various USA boards, and we are keep on improving, and we are keep on attaching and taking approvals from different boards and the authorities of the world, where my motive was to give affordable certificates, diplomas, and all sort of medical allied health education to the students in a very nominal or reasonable price. So this Abhyas gives you a lot of 100 provides you 180 plus courses right now, and you have we also give full subjects tuitions, which in India there is no concept of giving the medical subjects tuition. So I have started this thing as a medical subject tuition, psychology subject tuitions for 12th class and till UG PG and all. And we also provide clinical trainings and diploma certificates and all, and we are keep on improving, and sooner or later you will get more than 1,000 plus courses in this Abhyas institute. So this is about little bit about Abhyas, and I warmly welcome to all, and hope you will enjoy this conference, and my best wishes to the entire organizing team of Abhyas and Nirvan University. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.